everyone and welcome back to my website development tutorials. Okay, so in this module I'll be explaining you everything about Xampp, WordPress, what is Xampp, what is WordPress, and the installation and how you can set your offline website, how you can set your offline WordPress dashboard and start your career in website development. So this module is very important for you if you are a beginner at website development. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, what is Xampp? Introduction. This chapter is based upon introduction to Xampp. What is Xampp? So basically, if one have to build a website, so the requirement for building a website is two things, two major important things. First is a server and second is a domain name. But when we are doing this work offline, when we want to develop a website just for our practice as a beginner, so the server which we get, the server on which we can practice for free is Xampp. Okay, so let's start with the Xampp. Let's start with the Xampp introduction. Okay, so Xampp is an open source software developed by Apache friends. Open source software means it is freely available and user can download it very easily and he or she can modify it according to themselves. Okay, the Xampp is open source means it's a free software which anyone can download and modify according to themselves. Okay, moving forward, Xampp software package contains Apache distributions. Apache distribution. What do you mean by Apache distribution? Apache distributions means free of cost. Apache, it's a database, it's a server, and distribution, Apache distribution means a pack of servers wherein you get database, server, also you get many dashboards where you can create your website using coding, HTML, WordPress, anything. Okay, so Xampp software package contains Apache distribution from Apache server, MariaDB, that is your database, PHP is also your database, and Perl. Perl is a programming language many of us use for developing websites. But if you are looking for no coding website, don't worry, you can create a website without any coding, just using WordPress. So we won't be using Perl, but yes, Xampp also provides us the Perl platform where we can develop websites regarding to Perl. And it is a basically localhost or local server. As I said you since beginning that Xampp is a local server where you can create your websites locally. So it's very helpful for a beginner. It's damn useful for a beginner. Okay, moving forward. Advantages of Xampp. Okay, now I said you about what is Xampp. Now I should also say you that what are the advantages, why should we use Xampp? Why Xampp only? Because not only because it's free of cost, but there are also many advantages rather than it's freely available to us. Let's see the advantages of Xampp. Very important, it is a free and easy to use. Xampp is very easy to use. It's a very easy to use server. You can easily install it and easily use. It is easily available for Windows, Linux and Mac, also OS. So it's easily available to everyone. That's why one are using Xampp. Moving forward, it's a beginners friendly solution package for full stack web development. Beginners friendly. Guys, I already said you that if you are a beginner in website development, this is for you. So it is beginners friendly. You can build free of cost your website on Xampp using free local server. Okay, and it is a full stack web development. Full stack web development means you can build a website from a beginner, from a very simple website to a very high website. You can go for it. It is an open source software package which gives an easy installation experience. It is an open source software package. Guys, you can customize your server according to your need. You can increase the size, you can upload time, you can increase, etc, etc. You get the options. So again, Xampp is very useful for a beginner. It is a very simple and light way to create setup for development, testing and deployment. I want to develop a website. So before developing a website, I'll be checking my website. I want to test my website. So before developing online website, I'll be developing one offline. Then I'll be moving my offline website to online. This is what website testing is known as. Website development, testing, deployment, everything can be done easily using Xampp. It is a time saver and provides several ways for managing configuration changes. Time saver, yes. Instead of buying a domain hosting, spending 5,000 rupees for a year and then try to build your website, it is a time saver and money saver server. So I guess for a beginner, Xampp is like awesome. So you can go with Xampp. It saves your time. It's provide you several ways where you can manage your things. You can manage your websites and you can try learning them. It handles many administrative tasks like checking the status and security. Yeah, that's obvious. It handles many administrative tasks like checking the status, security. I want to build a website and I want to build a page named as contact us. Okay, so building a contact us page, it means that I'll be building a form where anyone visiting my website, when he or she enters their details on my page named as contact us, I'll be receiving a mail that so and so person is trying to contact me. Okay, so this kind of experiments can be done using offline server. You can do. So it ultimately shows that how securely you can work using Xampp, using offline website. Although it's an offline server, still you can build it like an online website. Okay, so this is what all introduction about Xampp and all the advantages of Xampp. If you like the video, please go and watch the second chapter of this module. Thank you.